What's up, weird champers? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase reps and other items from Taobao with Superbuy. Superbuy is one of the most popular shipping agents out there. Shipping agents are essentially forwarding programs that also help with communication with sellers, especially if you don't speak Chinese. Alright, so to start things off, go ahead and hit the link in my description to sign up for Superbuy. After doing so, your screen should look something like this. Go ahead and enter your email, password, and the verification code in the captcha. Click that you accept the terms and agreements, and click sign up. In the next few minutes, if you got the verification code correct, you should get an email asking for confirmation. Go ahead and do that and you'll be all set. Once you've confirmed your Superbuy account, go ahead and return to the Superbuy homepage. It should look something like this. The next thing you're going to need to do is add funds. In the top right hand corner of the screen, click on My Superbuy. From here, click on Top Up Now, enter the amount you'd like to top up, and click Top Up Now. On this screen, you have a bunch of options you can use to pay. Click whichever one is best for you and click Pay Now. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, you should see the balance hit your Superbuy account. Alright, so at this point you've created a Superbuy account and you've added funds. The next thing you need to do is find an item you wish to purchase from Taobao. For this example, I'll just be using the Supreme shirt. Go ahead and copy and paste the Taobao link into the text box on the Superbuy homepage. Click Buy for me. Read this notice, it doesn't really apply to anything. From here, click the size, color, and quantity you want, and click Buy Now, or Add to Cart. From this screen, you have a few options. You can click Detailed Photo if you'd like high quality, close-up quality check pictures, or Speedy Response if for some reason you need your item ordered quickly. Please note that these both have a cost associated with them, although it is fairly small. Once you're satisfied, click the tick box right here at the bottom, and hit Submit. The next screen will help you process your payment. Once a few days have gone by, go ahead and hover over the My Superbuy in the top right, then click on Shipping Order. From this screen, you'll be able to control, manage, and view any quality check pictures you may have for your items. Once you're satisfied, navigate to My Warehouse over here on the left. On this screen, if you have any items, you'll be able to see them. Select the items you'd like to submit, select the shipping line, enter your address, and submit the parcels. Within the next 24 hours, return to the My Parcels section of your account menu by doing this, and you should be able to view any shipped parcels you have and track them. Happy shopping! Anyways guys, I hope this quick tutorial on how to use Superbuy to buy from Taobao helped. Be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for more tutorial videos and even review videos coming soon.